विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। काँग्रेस पक्षाक विधानसभा वेंचणुकेत बहुमत मेळिल्लें, मात काँग्रेस पक्षान सरकार घडोवपाच्या निर्णयाचेर थाराव घेवपाक कळाव केल्ल्यान भाजपान आपले सरकार गोंयांत करपाक थारायला। अपक्ष उमेदवार जाका निमणे मेरेन काँग्रेसीन तेंको दिल्लो तांणी भाजपाक तेंको दिला म्हण काँग्रेसीचे गोंय राज्य प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंग उलयल्यात। आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
The Congress Vice President has authorized me and Mr. Venugopal ji, the observer, to open discussion with independents and other political parties, non-BJP parties, and we contacted them, and after discussion we met Mr. Vijay Sardesai last night at his residence. We contacted Mr. Dhavlikar, but he did not showed any interest in coming with us. Some of the independents, in fact, I'm very sorry to say that Mr. Rohan Kaunte, whom we had supported and who had committed the support even late last night, also did not fulfill his commitment. Mentioned that he would like to know who the CLP leader is, and till then he will wait. We waited. We said, okay, we'll elect our leader and we'll let you know. So our whole process was over by 3:34, and we tried to contact Vijay Sardesai. But by then, he had already gone with Mr. Parrikar to meet Mr. Gadkari, and a person who had been accusing us of joining up with BJP has openly gone to BJP for personal, I would say, issues, totally ditching the mandate of the people of Goa, mandate of the people of Batoda. I feel that the people who had been voted to fight the communal forces in this country have, for crumbs of power, compromised and gone with BJP.